I do it myself.
You can do it yourself?
Yeah.
Okay. What you doing today? You're gonna bake cupcakes?
Yeah.
Show us what you're gonna use.
Yeah.
Let us see. Oh, that you can. You want ready to mix it?
Yeah.
Alright. You ready to put on your chef clothes?
Yes.
Let's go put on your clothes. So hey guys, welcome to another video. It's Samuel and I. What we're gonna do? We're gonna bake cake and make a cupcake. So actually putting on his clothes at this moment, right, to get him ready for the position. You get me? So guys, we'll get back to you when we get to the baking. Alright? Get him ready?
Yeah.
The fake laugh.
I'm ready now.
You ready now?
Yeah.
So I'm ready now, guys.
I'm ready now, guys.
So guys, here's our ingredients. So ready? Ready, Sam?
Yeah.
Ready! So let's get to it.
I get you.
Let's get
Yeah.
to it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Which one you want to bake first? Chocolate
No.
or the yellow one?
Yes. Yes,
This
I
one?
want.
Okay. Mixing?
Yeah.
Nice. How are you mixing?
Okay.
It's okay?
Yes.
Okay, so what this is what? You're mixing round and round?
Yes. Eight.
Hmm?
Miss eight.
Oh, so go ahead and
Mommy.
finish up. Mix it more until all of that is gone. Mix it. Nice. You got it?
Yes. You go now.
You want my help?
No. I need help.
You don't need my help?
Yes. I need no.
Can I help you now?
No.
What? Look at me. What you saying?
Me no.
No.
I do it too.
You what? Look at me.
I do it myself.
You can do it yourself?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, bright. Okay. Alright guys, I'm actually going with himself. Him learned from all the other times when I tell him slowly. Right? Hmm? You're doing it slow and gentle. Right? Good.
You do it me?
You need me to help you now?
Yeah.
Yes, favor. What you said?
Me, no, me.
I must do it slowly.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm coming to help you now, okay?
And me, wash hair, and eat fruit, and drink.
Okay. Okay, I'm coming. So we got to grease the bottom of the pan. You want to grease it for me?
Yes.
Okay, hold the pan.
One pan.
Here, here's it. Like it all over.
Over.
Yeah. Here. You got it?
It's done now. It's done. You got mine? Done?
You finished?
Mommy?
You finished?
Dad?
You finished with it?
Yes.
You did everywhere?
Yes. You everywhere. Yes, Dad.
Do it again? Okay. Hold on, let's get the flour.
Flower. It's flower. No. Like that's flower. That flower?
Huh?
Is that flower? No. Is that flower?
You don't see the flour.
That flower. That flower.
Guys, remember my containers from the Amazon haul? Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, Dad. Mommy. Come.
I must do thumbs up.
Yes.
Yeah.
Go in. In.
I want to pour some flour. No, not that. Not yet. Leave that. The flour. Hey. Leave that one.
You see? You see? Where? Bing, bing. Bing. I like that. I like that, Mommy. I like that.
And I didn't even turn on the oven. Is it coming? Yes, I know. You never remind me. Alright, we're doing some cupcakes also, so I'm gonna let him put the what do you call these? The baking cups inside of the tin.
Go in. Go in.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Come, look what you're gonna do. I'm gonna take one, put them in. So put them in. Yeah, there. Put them in.
That. One.
Yes, do all of them.
Okay.
Yeah, do those white ones too.
Uh-oh.
all done?
Yes.
Okay.
Hi guys.
You ready to pour it in now?
Yay! Bye.
Alright, listen. Come. Yes, one more. Yes, guys. Nice. You want to be yourself? Come on. And then clean up everything. You're right. I have two more. Okay. I need help with these two, okay? Alright, alright. Try one more now. What did you say? It tastes nice? Who tell you to taste it? You. Okay. You like it? So, guys. Alright guys, let me move this one in front of him. Want to help you now?
I do it.
With everything?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, guys. I'm done now. Bye. We did.
So what you telling the guys? What you saying?
Alright, guys. It's done now.
You finished?
I'm in there now. Guys. Hi. Bye. Guys, do it. Great toy. Yeah. That's great toy.
Guys, I actually just turned the oven on, so I'm just leaving it to heat up a bit. So,
Ouch.
hey. And yes, I'm going to do the next one. Just hurry up and do it off camera. And then you guys will see when it's finished.
I'm in it.
Okay.
Okay. Bye, guys.
We'll be back.
Hmm?
We'll be back soon.
Bye soon.
Yeah.
Bye, guys. Bye soon.
Okay. Cake?
Chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake.
Yes.
Yeah. So guys, that's it. We're going to put it in the oven now, okay?
Yeah!
Alright. Yes guys, so we're there. Alright.
Alright.
What you said?
Alright.
So guys, cupcakes good because I'm gonna make him decorate some. So yeah. Alright guys, alright guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Let us know how we did in the comments. So we see you in the next one. Bye.